Yo, it's your main man Ballgreezy is going down July 6th, Chattahoochee, Florida. Hey, I will be performing on the football field. You dig me? The Summer Family Fest. And that same night, it's at the party at Club 1K, Quincy, Florida. Y'all make sure y'all come through. It's gonna be a whole lot going down. You hear me?
Stay on my mind. Thinking about you. Thinking about you. Stay on my mind.
Gang, y'all already know if y'all with the gang, y'all already know the thing. So today, this is a vlog. We are going to the car show. So today at the car show, Ballgreezy and Quando Rondo are performing, and there are a couple of other acts, but them the two celebrities I know that's gonna be there. But anyway, you guys are gonna get ready with me, and I'm gonna take you guys to the car show. But right now I'm finna start doing. But right now I'm finna do my eyelashes and stuff, and you guys finna see me do my eyelashes. But I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm done doing my lashes. Period. I forgot the vlog. I'm not even for vlogging. Like, it's over with. But yeah, I'll see y'all if I get in the car with them. Like, yeah. Oh, what am I supposed to be doing right now? I'm supposed to be doing. I don't even remember what I'm supposed to be doing right now. Oh, I'm supposed to be going to get my stuff. Going to get my done and stuff. I already did. I got my nails done and all. Y'all, people don't like when I do the kitties. I did the kitty vote this time. People like, you should do the gyms, but I'm gonna do the gyms next time. When I do my get ready for with me vlog for back to school, I'm gonna have the gyms on my nails. But I got to go put on my necklace, go put on my shirt, cause this ain't a shirt I'm wearing. It's just a tank top front. Go put on my leg, put on my shirt, and put on my belt. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next slide. That's gonna be getting dressed slide. Okay. Alright, vlog, I am done getting dressed. I got my jewelry on. I got my grill in. I got my clothes on. So right now, I'm just waiting on my sister and my mom to get dressed. And then we're going to get ready to go. Yeah. But I'll catch y'all back when we're in the car. I might put videos in her that I record, though.
I want you to be my secret. How you make it on the porch.
Okay, vlog, so right now we're in the car on our way to Chattahoochee. But I will catch you guys when we get on the field.
Because in 20 years, well, I'll be what? 37, so I'm half a kid. In 20 years, how old you gonna be to me? How old you? 20? You'll be 40. You gonna have to. I hope you were a kid. I hope you were a kid.
Ain't gotta touch me on. That's good. That's good. Going by myself. Pulled up to Miami. We almost there because my feet hurt. My feet hurt. I went on Ballgreezy and Quando to get him.
I just hit a hole one, I done just off over it. I know they hit, I came up, I see the look on all their faces. It's bitch changed up, I left her in a free. Two baby miss calls, why the fuck they keep on calling me? Shawty on the block, why the fuck she keep on stalking me? Came up from the project to the top, that what hard to do. Gripping on this epic, case a nigga wanna stop me. It'll probably leak in, I guarantee they cancel that. I guarantee they
Let's go! Florida, let's go! You better grab your bitch, spin up and make that whole shake. Again, I'm popping that shit.
Line up out When I get drunk,
How you make it on the porch in them little ass shorts?